The first thing we need to do, of course, is go to Create, and we're going to start a new project. And I guess the first thing I'll do in here is give it a name. So again, first name, last name, homeroom, and in this case we can call it Scratch Tutorial 2 or something like that. Then I'm going to go with the background. So I'm going to go here to choose a backdrop from the library, and the one that we're going to use is the desert. So we click that and OK. So here we are. Now, we weren't going to use this guy again because we used him last time, so I'm just going to right click on him and delete him, and we're going to go into New Sprite. And so you can pick whichever one you want. I'm going to go with this dog right here, this blue dog. So we'll say OK, and here's our dog. And I'm just going to drag him down here. And what other sprites do we need here? We need a monkey, so that would be sprite number 2. We need the bananas, it's number 3. And we need that bell, number 4. So we still need 3 other sprites. So we can go ahead and get those if we want to. So we're going to go under Things, and it doesn't matter what order we get them in. So here's the bell. Just going to move that over there. And under Animals, we'll get the monkey that we need. Okay. And we can set him up like this, perhaps. And the bananas right here. And we'll put those right there. So this is starting to look like what we need. So again, just to review, what is it that needs to happen? Well, the user, the person that plays our game, is going to be controlling this dog. So if that person hits the right arrow key, we want the dog to move to the right. And if they hit the left arrow key or up or down, we want the dog to move accordingly. And when the dog touches the monkey, we want the monkey to say something like, find the hidden bell and you'll make me disappear and you'll make the bananas fall from the cactus. Something like that. And then when we hit the bell, we want 2 or 3 things to happen. Number 1, we want the monkey to disappear. Number 2, we want the bell to make some kind of a ringing noise. And number 3, we need to get the bananas to drop. So there's a whole lot of things going on, and if we think about it too much in the beginning, it can become overwhelming, and there's so many things that we have to do that it's hard to know where to begin. But if we just take it one step at a time, we'll find that we can get this done. So let's just start with the dog, and let's try to make the dog move the way it's supposed to. And we already did this with the cat in the first tutorial, so that should be easy enough. One thing I will say though is that in the last tutorial we only had 1 sprite, and that was the cat. In this tutorial, of course, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 different sprites. So each one of these sprites is going to have its own code associated with it. So if we're going to put in code to make the dog move, we need to make sure that we put that code here. So we have to select the dog first and then put the code over here for the dog. So in the next video, we're just going to focus on getting this dog to move right, left, up, and down. And that should basically just be a refresher from what we did in the first tutorial.